So, hello friends, welcome back to our channel Exam Buddy. Now let's do our mock test part 1 entrepreneurship. In this video, we ask some question about entrepreneurship and you have to answer it in 5 seconds. So, let's start our first question number first. Which of the following best demonstrates industrial transformation in recent years? So, these are the options: high speed rail, electric vehicles, lead free fuel, none of the above. So, your time starts now. And the answer is B, electric vehicles. Now let's go to second question. Question second. A person who continuously launches new businesses one after another can be termed as. So these are the options: serial entrepreneur, business destroyer, continuous investor, none of the above. So your time starts now. And the answer is A, serial entrepreneur. Now let's go to question number third. Third, in the last 2 decades, startups have faced the highest failure rates in. So these are the options: aviation, telecommunications, both aviation and telecom, neither of them. So your time starts now. And the answer is C, both aviation and telecom. Now let's go to question number fourth. Question fourth, the very first step in most startups is. So these are the option: market launch of a product, identification of a problem and solution, redesigning the business model, none of the above. So your time starts now. And the answer is B, identification of a problem and solution. Now let's go to question number fifth. Having multiple co-founders in a startup is beneficial because it provides. So these are the option: complementary skills, shared workload, flexibility in leadership succession, all of the above. So your time starts now. And the answer is D, all of the above. Now let's go to question number six. Question number six. Entrepreneurship and startups are similar in that they both involve. So these are the options: beginning with limited resources, taking risk, neither of the above, both A and B. So your time starts now. And the answer is D, both A and B. Now let's go to question number seven. Question number seven. The objectives of entrepreneurial firms generally include. So these are the options: developing new products, creating new markets, disrupting existing businesses, all of the above. So your time starts now. And the answer is D, all of the above. Now let's go to question number 8. An individual who leaves formal employment to start a business due to an attractive idea is called. So these are the options: necessity entrepreneur, replicative entrepreneur, opportunity entrepreneur, innovative entrepreneur. So your time starts now. And the answer is C, opportunity entrepreneur. Now let's go to question number 9. According to India's MSME classification, a firm with plant and machinery investment up to rupees 25 lakhs is a. So these are the options: micro enterprise, small enterprise, medium enterprise, nano enterprise. So your time starts now. And the answer is A, micro enterprise. Now let's go to question number 10. A support system offering startups shared infrastructure, plug and play facilities, and mentoring is known as. So these are the options: incubator, accelerator, angel network, venture capital. So your time starts now. And the answer is A, incubator. Now let's go to question number 11. The real value chain of a startup usually gets built around. So these are the options: founders' aspiration, competencies of the firm, emotions among founders, investors' perception. So your time starts now. And the answer is B. Competencies of the firm. Now let's go to question number 12. Developing a holistic prototype requires. So these are the options: understanding the customer's problem, crafting a creative solution, manufacturing and design capability, all of the above. So your time starts now. And the answer is D, all of the above. Now let's go to question number 13. BDC entrepreneurial self-assessment measures. So these are the option: motivation, aptitude, attitude, all three. So your time starts now. And the answer is D, all three. Now let's go to question number 14. In MBTI personality typology, individuals are assessed on. So these are the options: 16 pairs of traits, 8 pairs of traits, 4 pairs of traits, 2 pairs of traits. So your time starts now. And the answer is C, 4 pair of traits. Now let's go to question number 15. The success of Redbus, Swiggy, Uber, and Airbnb lies in. So these are the options: treating demand and supply separately, linking demand and supply through digital aggregation, focusing only on supply, focusing only on demand. So your time starts now. And the answer is B, linking demand and supply through digital aggregation. Now, let's go to question number 16. Which of the following could be a major risk during prototype development? So, these are the options: wrong problem identification, misaligned solution, obsolete technology dependence, any of the above. So, your time starts now. And the answer is D, any of the above. Now, let's go to question number 17. Paperboat, an Indian startup, gained success by offering. So these are the options: ethnic beverages with modern packaging, global beverages with ethnic beverages with packaging, global beverages with global packaging. So your time starts now. And the answer is C, ethnic beverages with ethnic packaging. Now let's go to question number 18. The first step in the design thinking process is. So these are the options: prototyping, empathizing with the customer, designing a product, generating a solution. So your time starts now. And the answer is B, empathizing with the customer. Now let's go to question number 19. Design thinking requires. So these are the options: questioning fundamentals, blind acceptance of status quo, sole dependence on experts, none of the above. So your time starts now. And the answer is A, questioning fundamentals. Now let's go to question number 20. For a startup idea to succeed, it must satisfy. So these are the options: customer desirability, company feasibility, business viability, all of the above. So your time starts now. And the answer is all of the above. Now let's go to question number 21. An ideation workshop is least effective if it begins with. So these are the options: defined participants, preset methodology, a pre-decided solution, analytical thinking. So your time starts now. And the answer is C, a pre-decided solution. Now let's go to question number 22. After successful ideation, the immediate next step is. So these are the options: prototype development, pilot marketing, testing phase, validation phase. So your time starts now. And the answer is D, validation phase. Now let's go to question number 23. Which of these is not crucial for building a prototype? So these are the options: test facilities, components, computer coding, assembly. So your time starts now. And the answer is C, computer coding. Now let's go to question number 24. A holistic value proposition by a startup means. So these are the options: the short term pricing strategy, set of customer gains and benefits in long and short term, the product's external look, advertising messages. So your time starts now. And the answer is B, set of customer gains and benefits in long and short term. Now let's go to question number 25. For performance testing of a prototype, which factor is least important? So these are the options: specifications, methods, equipment, product aesthetics. So your time starts now. And the answer is D, product aesthetics. So thank you friends for watching mock test part 1. We will provide mock test part 2 in next video.